Under doggy. And you have short feet. Like
I can't get you that high if I'm doing an under doggy.
Well, I'm going to you know. You almost have 19.
Okay.
You got
Papa, my turn.
all over.
That's two, Sarah.
That was a short turn.
Katie, Lone's going to get you. Don't back up, Katie.
Back up. Hey, you guys go for it. Michael Ryan, step back.
Back up. You be sure you keep them back, Michael.
Hey.
You can't go past Mike.
Sarah, let me see you do a cartwheel.
Daddy!
What?
I really want you to keep me from
Ta-da! What else can you do?
I'm not going to let you drink.
Very good.
You don't want to go up when you want to go down.
Round off. Very good. Can you do a back bend?
Okay, you on?
What else can you do? Show me a bridge. It's okay if you get on the ground. Show me a bridge. What is it?
Stretch it out. Part of the fun of outside.
Come on, show me.
Then you'd have been streaking.
Whose turn is it?
Boom! Check out that bridge.
I can do something easier. I can do something better.
What can you do? There's Michael's bridge. Very nice.
I'm feeling.
Give your belly button.
It did.
I saw your belly button.
Stand back.
Elizabeth.
Michael, back up. Michael.
Hey, Andy, can you do a trick? Andy, let's see a trick.
That's my trick.
Let's see a jump, Elizabeth.
I have hard shoes. Oh, no.
You want to turn?
My turn! It's my turn! I'm taking your place!
Elizabeth on the swing.